Hello, today we have a Mitsubishi pump on the table. The most popular model is the Mitsubishi Lancer pump, commonly referred to as type MK61. One of the common errors with this pump is error code C2116, which we are currently diagnosing. Let's see what's not working in this pump. We are connected to the pump, and we will read the errors. Here we have the error C2116, and it's active. We will attempt to clear it. Unfortunately, the error is still active. We will try to apply the pump motor. This function also does not work. Now we will send the pump for repairs and then return to retest it to see if the issue has been resolved. The repaired pump has returned. Let's test it. We will read the errors again. Error C2116 is in memory, but it's no longer an active error. After clearing the errors, the issue does not return. Now let's apply the pump motor. The pump is working flawlessly and the problem has been fixed. As you can see, we have a complete testing station for this type of issue. All the repair applications we use are designed for us, either in-house or directly for our company. For example, these types of mounts are produced in our company, and brushes are custom-made for this type of pump. The motor receives new bearings. We offer a 24-month warranty for this repair, and the service can be performed while you wait at our company headquarters. You can find all additional information on our website. Welcome.